I'm Rosemarie Deogrades. When I was a kid, I never actually wanted to become a teacher, but I always have this yearning to make a difference. And I'm lucky enough to be surrounded by selfless, caring, and creative people whom I believed have led me to this path. I've been teaching for more than 2 decades, taught various subjects in grade levels, from early childhood years to grade 7. I have been with BINUS for more than a decade now. I know that as an educator, it is my responsibility to equip my students with knowledge and skills that will make them active citizens and dynamic leaders. In the classroom, I prioritize hands-on activities to gain deeper understanding of their lessons. As what Benjamin Franklin once said, "Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I may remember. Involve me and I learn." I also believe in the practicality of learning. Being surrounded by students reminds me of my role in shaping their future, a future that I would also yearn for my very own child. I do believe that my students are like flowers. Flowers are delicate, comes in different colors and sizes. They do not bloom at the same time, but if you take good care of them, they will thrive, flourish, and bloom no matter how impossible it may seem. I found a home away from home here in BINUS School Serpong, and I am confident that you and your family will feel it too. Come and join me here in BINUS School Serpong. Hope to see you here soon!